Here's how to fix Snapchat if it's not saving pictures or snaps. Now, if you're in Snapchat and you want to save a picture onto your device or into the memories or any other snap, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here. And the first thing that we'll do is if you take a quick photo, on here, you can see a bunch of different editing and all that stuff. And at the very bottom left, I can hit that little download button. Now, if I tap on that, it will ask me to enter my passcode here. And it says, all right, it's saved to my memories. And that should work, but it doesn't necessarily automatically do that unless you have it set in your settings. And on top of that, it might not save it to the camera roll. So let's tap on your profile at the top left, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now that we're in here, we want to scroll down a bit, and right under notifications, let's tap on memories. Now on here is a really helpful option. You can see save button under save destinations. I want to choose memories and camera roll. This will essentially help fix it so that it saves it to both my memories within the Snapchat app, as well as the camera roll or gallery on my iPhone or Android. Now, let's also go back here and you can see autosave my stories, and I have it set to don't autosave. We want to switch it to autosave to my memories. This will mean even if I forget to hit that download or save button, it will automatically save them to my memories so that I don't lose any of those snaps. Now we can go back here and you can check on the save to my eyes only. So essentially no one else would be able to see it. And then the next thing that I would recommend doing is toggling on smart backup and making sure the backup progress is complete. So essentially you've backed up everything and you will never lose any pictures or snaps that you're sending. Basically, they'll always be either on the Snapchat app or on your phone itself. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.